Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be good. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 7 of English for class nursery. Today we will do the page number 12. So I will open the summer pack for page number 12. Yes, this is page number 12. Today we will do this page. Revision. Write A to L. Okay, today we will write A to L on this page. Let's take start for the work now. Yes, first of all, yes, in the first line you can see the 4 lower cases on a line pattern, on this line pattern, right? Okay, one by one I will write these letters in front of you. So first of all, yes, I will write the first lowercase. Yes, this is letter A. This is lowercase a. Okay, now for lowercase a, I will take start from the middle line. Now first of all, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Now go up, come down, touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop with it. Yes, this is lowercase a, and the sound of this letter is A. A. Okay, what comes after letter A? Letter B. This is lowercase b. So for lowercase b, first of all, I will take start from the top line. Now come down, touch the base line like this. Now go up, touch the middle line, and here I will make a clockwise half circle. Not an anti-clockwise circle. This is a clockwise circle. Yes, the lowercase b should be in upper 3 lines. Okay, now the next lowercase is letter C. Yes, this is lowercase c, and for lowercase c, I will take start from the middle line and make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Yes, the sound of this letter is K, C, K. Okay, the sound of B is B, 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 C, K. Okay, now the next letter is, yes, this is lowercase d. Okay. Now the lowercase d, you will take start from the middle line, not top line. Okay. Yes. You will take start from the middle line first. First you will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Now go up, make a straight line, come down, touch the base line, and here you will make a little loop or a small tail. This is lowercase d, and it should be in upper 3 lines, and the sound of d is D. Okay, now the next letter, yes, what comes after letter D? Yes, letter E. So for letter E, yes, you will take start from this dot. First you will make a slant line with this dot like this, and now you will make an anti-clockwise half circle for small e, for lowercase e, and the sound of this letter is A, E, A. Okay, next letter, what comes after letter E? Letter F. Okay, for small f, for lowercase f, you will take start from the top line. First you will make a curve, little curve. Now come down, touch the lower line, and here you will make a little loop, and then you will put a slipping line on a middle line. Yes, this is lowercase f, and the sound of this letter is F, F. Okay, next letter, what comes after letter F? Letter G. For lowercase g, first of all, you will make an anti-clockwise like this half circle. Now go up, come down, touch the lower line, and here you will make a little loop with it. Yes, this is lowercase g, and the sound of this letter is G, 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 G. Okay, next letter. What comes after letter G? Letter H. Yes, for letter H, I will take start from the top line like this. Now go up, make a little curve. Now come down and make a little tail or a little loop with it. This is lowercase h, and the sound of this letter is H, H. Okay, now The next letter will be letter I. What comes after letter G? What comes after letter H? What comes after letter H? Letter I. Okay. For letter I, for lowercase I will start from the middle line. Yes. Now come down, touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop with it, and now I will put a small dot on it. Yes, this is lowercase I, and the sound of this letter is I-E. I-E. Yes, the next letter J. What comes after letter I? Letter J. Okay, for lowercase j, I will start from the middle line. Now come down, touch the lower line like this, and now I will put a small dot on it. Yes, it has also a small dot. Letter J. This is lowercase j, and the sound of this letter is J, 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 J. Okay, now the next letter K. This is lowercase k, and the sound of this letter is K, 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 K. Okay, for letter K, I will start from the top line. Now come down, touch the base line. Now go up, touch the middle line, and here I will make a little loop, little curve like this, and now I will make a slant line with it, and now I will make a little tail with it. Yes, this is lowercase k. And what comes after letter K? Letter L. This is lowercase l, and the sound of this letter is L, L, L. Okay, for lowercase l, yes, I will start from the top line. Now come down and touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop or a small tail with it. Yes, this is lowercase l. Okay, you will do page number 12 today. Write A to L. Okay, inshallah, we will meet again on tomorrow with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.